Hello student, today we will study about the old and the new religions. Okay, which kind of changes came into the old and in new religions. In chapter number 1, that is tracing changes through 1,000 years. Okay, here you will see that the medieval period witnessed many religious development. Means during the medieval period, several important changes took place in the religious custom of India or in a country. Means there were, you will see that there in a religion, means mainly in Hinduism, you will see so many changes came in Hinduism. आप देखोगे कि हमारे धर्म में बहुत सारे परिवर्तन हुए, बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए, न्यू आइडियाज़ आए. यू विल स्टडी रिलेटेड टू दिस टॉपिक इन योर चैप्टर भक्ति movement. Okay, so here you will see there were so many changes which came during medieval period, and the mainly which influenced our Hinduism, that was the worship of new deities. You will see that people started worshipping new deities, means नए नए देवी देवताओं की पूजा होने लगी. Okay, and so many temples were built during the medieval period. Okay, you will see that there were so many Rajput kings like the Chandelas, Pratiharas, Chauhans. They built so many temples in northern part of our country. And you will also see the Brahmin who were the dominant कास्ट इन आ हिंदुज़म. हमारे हिंदुज़म में जो ब्राह्मण्स थे वो बहुत ही डोमिनेट करते थे फ्रॉम द एंशियंट टाइम से इनका डोमिनेशन था हमारे सोसाइटी में. बट ड्यूरिंग द medieval period they also became very dominant position in society. They got the dominant position in Indian society. Okay, and because they have a knowledge of Sanskrit, so that is why they used to perform different kind of rituals. All the rituals were performed by these Brahmin because they have a knowledge of Sanskrit. Okay, then you will see that the emergence of new ideas also came during the medieval period in our society, and because of it, the emergence of new ideas, the Bhakti movement was started in India. Okay, the Bhakti movement was mainly started in South India, and slowly it spread throughout the whole part of the country. Then the method of here you will see the method of worshipping or offering prayer to God through the simple act of devotion. Means people started worshipping God by using the simple activities. Okay, they were not using those kind of ritual which were performed in ancient time, and there was no need of a priest to perform the rituals. यहाँ पे जो आप देखोगे कि जो ब्राह्मण्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल हुआ करता था, ये प्रीस्ट जो पुरोहित हुआ करते थे, they have a very big role to perform the rituals. But here people not needed any interference of priest to perform the rituals. And during the medieval period, Islam also entered in Indian subcontinent. हमारे देश में या इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट में इस्लाम का भी प्रवेश हुआ. द इस्लाम ऑल्सो एंटर्ड इन इंडिया during the medieval period, when the invaders from the Arab countries or the Persia or from Turkey, they came India, they invaded India. With them, the Islam also came in India. And like the Hinduism, you will see, like the Hinduism, Islam was also interpreted in variety of ways or split, and it's split into two major sects. इस्लाम भी जो था हिंदुज़म की तरह कई अलग अलग तरीक़ों से वर्शिप के तरीक़ों में बट गया. And you will see the Islam also divided into the two sects. Okay, first was Shia and second was Sunni. And Shia were the people who believed in Shia. Ali was the legitimate leader of मुस्लिम. यहाँ पे जो शिया धर्म को मानने वाले थे मुस्लिम में, इस्लाम में, वो लोग अली को मानते थे. और जो सुन्नी थे, जिनको हम कट्टर इस्लाम या कट्टर मुस्लिम कहा जाता था, दे एक्सेप्टेड द अथॉरिटी ऑफ खलीफा. ये जो सुन्नीस थे वो खलीफा की अथॉरिटी को मानते थे. So here you will see like the Hinduism or like the other religion, Islam was also divided into two categories. First was Shia and second was Sunni. Okay, so this was about the changes which came during the medieval period in India. Here you will see and about these topics you will study about all these topics in your sixth chapter in your book or in history. Okay, thank you.